This is a really beautiful hippie era flower power dress. Doesn't it just remind you so much of people sitting around on the streets of San Francisco like at HAIGHT, ASHBURY? I mean, wow. The colors and the fabric used, so cool. It's very flexible at the waist. It measures 53 in length. The way I have it hanging here, but you can raise it up near the waist where you want, of course. And it's just so flower power, flower child. Oh, it's lovely. Definitely an example of a dress that, I mean, I can see this in the Peter Sellers flick, Alice B. Toka's, with just beads hanging down around the neck. It's adorable. Oh yeah, the bust measures 34 and then stretches easily to 36, and the waist starts at 11, meaning 22, and then stretches very easily all the way up to 36. It's got a tremendously flexible waist. Here's a really cute 60s mod black space age mini. So it's 36 in length. It's not a really short mini.